Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Career Lodge with Joe. In today's video, I'll be presenting to us the latest scholarship opportunity, which is the Ban Ki-moon Center for Global Citizens. Now, this scholarship is aimed towards young career professionals. So, the scholarship is targeted to build young career professionals that are focused on achieving the SDG goals. So your work must be aligned with the SDG goals in order to be selected for this scholarship. So now a brief look at the description. It says after multiple high successful cycles of the Global Citizen Scholarship Program, the Ban Ki-moon Center for Global Citizens is proud to announce another call for application. So it's a call for application for the seventh round, and in this call for application, they want to offer scholarship fully funded virtual scholarship program that empowers young Africans or change makers to address one or more of the SDG in their community by proposing and implementing a localized SDG micro project. Now, it is not a scholarship that allows you to travel out of your country, but it's a good opportunity for you to upgrade yourself career wise and professionally. So, the scholarship is targeted towards training young African change makers aged between 20 and 35. So, it's very important to abide to this age range. And so, they are giving consideration to change makers from Ghana, Nigeria, Cameroon, Ethiopia, and Kenya. And the application starts on February 12th. That is today. It's open today, and then the deadline is on Sunday, February 25, 2024. So it means that if you're considering to apply for this scholarship, you need to hasten up and submit your application. And then going down to look at the requirement, it said if you fulfill all eligibility criteria below, then apply by um, 25th February 2024. So they've listed out some requirements that you need to have before you can apply for this scholarship. It says that your personal details, that is your name, contact information, date of birth, citizenship, gender, education, language competence, short profile description about yourself, and your engagement is what will be needed. Then your professional details as well, academic titles, name of organization that you are working with or that you have. That is, if you have an NGO that is focused towards achieving one of the SDG goals, you also name it. And then the SDG Micro-Project information, that if you've done any project, it doesn't have to be a large scale project like they've mentioned there, a micro project information. If you have engaged in any SDG project like um, sponsoring children to school or empowerment of women and girls in your community or any program at all that has to do with the SDG goal, then you can put it down and make your application for this scholarship. Then it says at the final stage of the nomination process, you'll be prompted to attach the following. So you need to have this information at hand with the hope that when your application is proceeded to the next stage, you can make this information available to them. So you have to make a motivational statement of why you should be selected for the scholarship, then a portrait picture of yourself, okay, just like a passport, then an introduction video of yourself and what your engagement is, what activity or what program you are engaged in, and how does that align with the SDG goals. Then your curriculum vitae of showing your work history and your volunteer programs and everything about you, your professional career. then a project outline of your SDG micro project idea. Now, if you already have a micro idea that you've been working in with, that you've been engaged in, you can write or further develop it in order to present, or you have a new idea that you want to deal with. So you have to write a project outline for your SDG micro project idea. So, and then the next is you will always be able to save your nomination form as draft and come back to, yeah, it's a normal thing when applying. Then the eligibility, like I've earlier, like they've earlier stated, pardon me, African youth, regardless of race, gender, sexual orientation, and then they must hold citizenship from one of the following countries: Ghana, Nigeria, Cameroon, Ethiopia, and Kenya. And then it says that the age group is from here. So, like I've already mentioned before, then you must possess a bachelor's degree or higher. Applicants must demonstrate strong dedication to SDG and ideal goal of the ideal global citizens. Sorry, and then applicants must have English level B2 requirement, so European standards. If you don't have the English language proficiency certificate, that's the IELTS, I think so. You can submit a proficiency certificate from your university, or the TOEFL. So any certificate that proves that you have English level of B2 is sufficient to make this application. Now, what do you stand to gain in this scholarship? It says that the benefit will include cost coverage for 1 week summer school training with MCI Innsbruck and coverage also of other expert workshops. So if it says it will include coverage, full coverage, it means that your data will be paid for and everything that you would be needing for this training. And also it says a seed funding a seed funding of 500 US dollars to support the implementation of an SDG micro project to be distributed after successful submission of project proposal. So this is the benefit that you stand to gain from this scholarship, and scholars will be awarded a certificate of achievement after successful completion of their own SDG micro project signed by Ban Ki-moon Center, H.E. Ban Ki-moon and H.E. Dr. Heinz Fischer. So this is a very good opportunity for anyone that is planning to upgrade their professional profile, build themselves up while you wait for that scholarship opportunity. With this kind of opportunities, you can actually document them when you are applying for other scholarships such as Chevening or Commonwealth Share Scholarship or other scholarship. This will serve as a professional achievements that you have, or you can also put them in. That's your micro project can also be listed as your volunteering program or the leadership program that you have engaged in. So I encourage you to look at the website. I will put the link to the website in the description below, and then you can just click and see if you fall into this category of people that they want to apply for the scholarship, and I encourage you to apply. So thank you, everyone. I want to say a big thank you to our returning subscribers, and for those of us that are just joining the channel or that are planning on subscribing to the channel, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel because it promises to bring you information that is focused towards your professional and career development. So please like, subscribe, and share this channel to your friends in order to increase the number of people that will be able to reach and to help people achieve their career aspiration. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye bye.